Deep within the world's largest rainforest, terrifying footage has revealed shocking mysteries. Known as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon spans over 7 million square kilometers, crossing 8 countries and home to more than 10% of all known species. Yet beneath this vast green ocean lies a world of fear and wonder. From mysterious green pyramid that scientists cannot explain, to flesh-eating piranhas that can strip an animal's flesh in seconds. From cursed tribes lost to history, to bizarre creatures and even supposed alien relics. The Amazon is a place where the line between science and legend blurs. Number 10. The Boiling River. Hidden deep in Peru's jungle is a river so hot it defies logic. Known locally as Shunitinpishka, meaning boiled by the heat of the sun, this boiling river stretches 6.4 kilometers long, 25 meters wide, and up to 6 meters deep. The water temperature ranges from 45 degrees Celsius to nearly 100 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook animals alive. Local legends speak of Yakamama, the mother of waters, a giant serpent spirit guarding the river's head, where snake-shaped rock marks her presence. What puzzles scientists is that this river lies more than 600 kilometers from the nearest volcano. The most accepted theory is that rainwater seeps deep underground, heats up through geothermal energy, and re-emerges to the surface through cracks and faults. Yet no one can explain how such a vast section of the river stays boiling hot. Surrounded by steam and mist, the boiling river looks like the gateway to the underworld. For scientists, it is a natural laboratory for studying extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme heat and could even hold clues to the origins of life on other planets. Number 9. The Ancient Amazonian Geoglyphs. For centuries, people believed the inner Amazon was untouched by civilization. That idea was shattered when scientists discovered hundreds of enormous geometric patterns beneath the rainforest canopy. Found mainly in Brazil's Acre State and nearby regions, these mysterious earthworks, circles, squares, ellipses, and U-shapes, are up to 4 meters deep and 10 meters wide, forming massive symbols visible only from above. Using satellite imagery and LiDAR technology, archaeologists have identified over 450 geoglyphs, an estimate that as many as 1,300 may still be hidden underground. These structures date back to between 1000 BCE and 1000 CE, proving that organized, complex societies once thrived in the Amazon long before European contact. Some sites are connected by straight, ancient roads, forming a vast network of trade and communication. They weren't isolated tribes. They were linked communities with governance, rituals, and agriculture. Many geoglyphs were built on high ground far from rivers, and near them scientists found terra preta, man-made black soil rich in carbon and organic matter, showing early ecological engineering. Even today, domesticated fruit trees like Brazil nuts and palms grow around these sites, suggesting the ancient people cultivated a sustainable forest garden system. The true purpose of these geoglyphs remains unknown. Some believe they were ceremonial or astronomical centers aligned with the sun, while others think they marked territory or social rank. With no written records, these monumental patterns stand as a silent code, a message from a forgotten civilization. Number 8. The Copper-Legged Blue Frog. In 2023, scientists in Brazil's remote Juruá River Basin discovered a creature so strange it seemed unearthly: the copper-legged blue frog. Officially named Rheabates etheria in 2025, this tiny frog measures only 1.5 centimeters but dazzles with sky blue skin and shimmering copper legs. It's been called a walking gemstone. However, beauty in the Amazon often hides danger. Like its relatives in the poison dart frog family, this species likely carries potent skin toxins, though researchers haven't yet identified their chemical makeup. It may accumulate these poisons through its diet of insects, using them to defend against predators. Scientists handle it with extreme caution, avoiding direct contact. Even its call is extraordinary, a high-pitched, electric chirping sound unlike any other frog, resembling a cricket's buzz. Each call contains 16 to 35 rapid notes lasting only milliseconds, echoing eerily through the rainforest. The species inhabits lowland jungle about 135 meters above sea level, hidden among leaves and palms. Researchers have so far found only 26 adults and 5 tadpoles, showing how rare and fragile it is. Experts warn that many such undiscovered species may still exist deep within the Amazon. But the current pace of deforestation, countless creatures like the copper-legged blue frog could vanish before humanity even learns their names.